In this video, we're going to show you the step-by-step directions on how to properly vacuum the floor. First, we need to clear things off the floor. Get the vacuum cleaner. Here's Sean. Hey, Sean. Let's get that vacuum. There we go. Now we can get started. Unwind the cord. Then we have to plug it in. Turn it on. Now we can start to vacuum the carpet. Notice how Sean is vacuuming the entire carpet, going back and forth until he has absolutely every single piece vacuumed up. Turn it off. Now we need to unplug it. Don't just pull at the wire. Make sure to unplug it from the base of the cord. Now we need to wind the cord back up. And now we can put the vacuum away when we are done.